strong.
Hi, Mike with parmeTECH here. You know, many organizations and individuals fall for common printer myths that they think will save them money, but actually result in higher costs and more printer issues. Myth number 1, buying a low-cost printer saves money. The reality is that there's an inverse relationship between the cost of the printer and the cost of the supplies. So buying a higher quality printer will result in better printer performance and reduced total cost of ownership. Myth number 2, any printer can do the job. The reality is that there's a wide range of printers that vary in duty cycle, speed, connectivity, and security features. So when selecting a printer, be careful to understand what your print volume looks like, as well as additional features that you might need, like wireless connectivity and mobile printing. Myth 3, third-party or off-brand supplies such as toner and ink are less expensive and are just as good. The reality is that buying off-brand supplies can potentially cause print quality problems, damage to your printer, failure to reach published yields, and potentially impact coverage of your warranty. So consider buying OEM or original equipment manufacturer toners and ink for the best results. Make sure that you have good image quality and that you preserve the lifespan of your printer. Myth number 4, only large organizations can benefit from management services. The reality is that anyone can benefit from management services. Small to medium-sized businesses and individuals alike can benefit from predictable billing and automatic supplies fulfillment. Myth number 5, printing is becoming obsolete in the digital age. The reality is that printing remains a very important piece of office technology for most every business. And there are many businesses that use print heavily, such as finance, legal, education, and healthcare. Thanks for watching. For more information on these and other topics, please check out our blog. And as always, for all of us here at parmeTECH, thanks for watching. Bye for now.